Straight to the stock markets now, where the Nigerian Exchange Limited All-Share Index slightly gained 0.03%. They opened the week at 52,231.29 index points as against 52,214.62 index points recorded in the previous day's trading session. The equities market's capitalization rose from preceding days 52,214.62 points and 28.4 trillion naira respectively to 52,231.29 points and 28.4 trillion naira. In 6,033 deals, investors exchanged 626.3 million naira shares valued at 5.5 billion naira. Accordingly, the month-to-date and year-to-date returns settled at 0.3% and 1.9% respectively. On the performance board, Oando and NCR topped the gainers list, having appreciated in share value by 9.9% and 9.8% respectively, while CWG and NEM Insurance recorded the highest losses of the day as their respective share value dipped by 9.7% and 9.5%. Now, joining us to break this down into understandable bits and pieces is Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consultant Limited. Thank you for joining us. Good morning.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Well, the market sentiment opened in a bullish or on a bullish note by 0.03% yesterday. What do you think influenced this performance?
Yeah, actually, I would say it's an extension of what we saw on Friday. We saw a mixed trend, with a more buying position. Yes, investors are looking at the value in the market as we speak now, especially after the Q1 number has reviewed, some value in the market, looking at the start of this financials for the year. And also, don't forget that last week we saw that the Treasury interest rate was adjusted down. And as at yesterday, we also saw that despite that inflation also spiked up to around 22.22%, it tells you that investors have factored all this macroeconomic data into their decision. That is why even as the data hit the market yesterday, there was no negative reaction. But I believe that as investors do more analysis on this inflation, we expect to see that the market will move in that direction. This morning, market is already starting on a positive note because of what we're already on the second half of the month of May, and as at April, we've seen already that the economy is gradually finding its feet. If that is sustained in this month of April, investors are already looking at we're going to see a positive earnings at the end of the day. This is why you are seeing this kind of position, especially looking at those companies that are being marked down because of dividends, and also rebounding immediately. It says that there is confidence in the market, and also all eyes are on them. Expected handover that is less than 2 weeks. If that happens, that will also give more confidence to investors, knowing that this government will come with another template to make sure that the economy find its feet and also being a progressive direction. That is what the investors are expecting. And don't forget that policy is what drives in the economy, and we get that policy right within the new government, so that both the capital market and other aspects of the economy benefit from the common administration.
Do you think that the recently released inflation figure had any role to play in this? The figure was, showed that the inflation figure rose to 22.22%.
Yeah, like I just said, it requires a lot of analysis focus. So I forecasted that the inflation will hit around 22.64. So I forecasted that it remained flat. But on the whole, we have seen that the market, the inflation remained above the previous one. Yes, and I think that investors are factoring in this inflation in their decision, even in the physical market and in the equity space. That is why we didn't see much negative reaction to this number. But investors are looking at which of the sector can I make what will give me more than what inflation is reading. Because as we speak now, even yesterday we saw that bond of almost 360 billion was open. But if you look at this bond, look at what their yield rate. Their yield is still below 16%, and inflation is still almost 22.2. It tells you that they are still on a negative return. But there's some investment in equity space that you can make even more than what inflation is also doing today. And that is why we're seeing that investors are looking at the equity market. If you look at the earnings of these companies, most of them have beat inflation rate in terms of performance. That tells you that it's a pointer that at the end of the day, we might see a better dividend payout could also support the price of the stock. That's why investors are looking to equity despite the similar expectation of the new government, because we feel that the new government will give more work, more confidence if they come with the right policy that will support the economy.
All right, let's go to the gainers table where we see Orlando, of course, topping that list with a gain of 9.91% to close at 6 naira 10 kobo. How would you explain this increase?
Yeah, for me, Orlando is not really market sentiment as before now. Orlando have notified the investing public of 7 naira 7 kobo buyout for those minority shareholders, because they said earlier that they want to delist on the exchange. If that is sustained, we might see this price going to that level before it will stabilize. But because they propose that they want to do no date as assigned to this, they want to delist on the exchange. But also, people are assuming that because the incoming government also have whether direct or indirect interest in Orlando, that is coming on board might also expect that this price will rally up, and at the same time it will also go up the list. And this is something that investors are looking for. For me, for a good investor or trader, if you have made profit in this kind of investment, you need to take your profit and watch the next stage of action.
We will also see NCR as well as Transcorp on that list. NCR gained 9.7% to close at 2 naira 81 kobo, while Transcorp followed suit with a gain of 9.65% to close at 2 naira 84 kobo. What are your thoughts on this?
Yes, I would say that for NCR, investors are looking at globally. I think that we're going e-government, e-economy, e-digital, and seeing any processing companies or only IT-related companies that potentially you can see the movement. If you look at the performance of NCR in the past, it has not been too attractive. But because the future is looking bright for that sector, I think people are positioning for that. But for Transcorp, we have seen that since the two billionaires have continued to fight, or the government have fight, and open the potential in Transcorp, that has made it there's potential in this company, and if this potential are reached, people are taking advantage of it for medium and long-term position. For me, it's a place to be if you're a long-term investor. Expect that this company will kind of bring out these values that we are seeing, so that the investor can gain from it. If not, there's nothing much there. But knowing that the utility is what every house needs, that's why people are taking advantage of. No matter how they adjust their needs tomorrow or not, because we all need guys to run our business, we need to know for our comfort. For that, this stock has potential that the price is selling. Is showing that the company is grossly undervalued. People are taking million forward for the future potential of the company.
And you don't think it's a temporary increase, especially looking at the fact that, they also recently launched their power plant?
No, that is part of market information, but I believe that for investors, investment again in the future, they are seeing a prospect in the company in terms of being a utility company, and also they are expanding their capacity. Recently now, we know that they are acquiring Abuja power operation there. They have already one in they have one in Port Harcourt and in Enugu. It shows that their capacity is increasing. That also reflects on the bottom line at the end of the day. Despite that their Q1 number was not too attractive, due that their future performance also directs where the price will be going. That's why the non-investor are taking advantage of the low price now. Despite that it's oscillating, I believe that anything below 7 naira is cheap for Transcorp, depending on your own investment objectives.
But what are your thoughts? What do you expect the market to close with today?
For me, the market has started on a positive note. If the high cap stocks will not suffer losses today, I see that the market will close positive. But don't forget that because the high cap stock control most weight of the market. When you see life of MTN, Dangote, Cement, Wafu suffer loss in the market, even the market is loss position, that's not that the market is bad. But for now, market is good. It's open on a good position. If we see this continual buy interest was in the market is likely to close positive. But if there's any high cap stock that go on the negative, I know the market down. But that doesn't mean that the market is going down. It's just this market. For this hour, I would say the market likely to close was positive for the day.